On August 24th, the Department of Homeland Security issued a final rule preserving and fortifying the DACA policy. Now, this final rule will go into effect October 31st. What does this all mean? Now, the DACA requirements stay the same. There's really minor changes. Unfortunately, the injunction that is still in place will still continue to partially bar this final rule for DACA, meaning initial applications will not be able to be adjudicated by USCIS. However, this is still good news. We need to see this as a good faith effort by this current administration to support DACA recipients. They're really putting pressure on Congress to finally pass a legislation that will give them ultimately a long-standing solution to all these DACA recipients who are doctors, nurses, entrepreneurs, teachers, all these individuals that help this country grow. Let's not lose our hope. Let's keep our faith. Let's see what happens.